Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Brando. Today, I have an ahi variety with me. This one's called ahi Rainforest. Now, with this variety, they don't get really huge, so, but it's supposed to be medium thickness on this one, and supposed to, from what I hear, they're rather sweet and fruity. So, but we'll pop the stem off these ones and let you know what I think of them. The flavor and the heat on this. It's supposed to be a capsicum baccatum, and wow, this one got some thick placenta in here. Look at that. Some thick placental tissue in there. Hmm. Now, there is slight fruitiness to these ones. Let's see here. Yeah, right. Go ahead and hmm. Well, there's the initial sweetness, and the spiciness in this one. It's actually heating up rather well. It's got a warmth to it, not like an actual overall super burn. These are one of those really tolerable type of burns from these type of peppers. This one's got a thick placental tissue as well. Hmm. It does almost have like an earthy type of smell to it. Wow. Huh. Now this is an interesting flavor. A really interesting flavor to me. Hmm. Very, very interesting. It's not a bad flavor at all. Just different. This one, the placenta is not as thick, but to me, there's almost like an earthy type tone in here. Here. It does have some similar tones to it that of other Baccatum type of varieties or ahi varieties that I've tried. I mean, certain tones in there that's, you know, along with those lines. But it does have a steady sweetness in there. Slight fruitiness to me. And overall, it's got some good heat to it that's, for an ají variety, pretty well heat. It's milder than a habanero. Definitely. And for these, it'd be worth giving these ones a try. Yeah, these ones very interesting. But like I was saying, the heat on these are not as, wouldn't say they're as strong as habanero. They're more like, they're mild, definitely milder than a habanero. The burn on them, it's got a good burn, but like I was saying, it's not anywhere near ultra high level. But these would be good to cook with, and maybe even doing a salsa, or sauce, something like that. But with this one, I know the heat's not going to build too much more. And it's just more focusing on my tongue. A little bit in the mouth area too, besides just the tongue. But it's not prickly, it's not burning, it's not harsh. And these were sent to me and grown by Jesus Rosario, and you can find him on Google+. I'll put his name in the description. And Jesus, you did a good job on growing these. Nice tasty little peppers. And thank you for sending me the peppers. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and squash out this video. And, you know, questions, comments, section below. And please like, subscribe, and share. And as always, keep it spicy. Peace out. Later.